against me, I'm going to get out and I'm not going to let a winning trade turn into a losing trade because I'm mitigating the risk in that sense. Something I want to talk to you guys about, since we're here and we're going to talk about James's trade first this morning, is the Black Shirt Club. I know some of you guys have maybe seen this, maybe you've heard about me, talking about this, but what we've decided to do, as more and more people want to be coached by James and by myself, we've decided to open up a limited coaching group that we're going to work very closely with about 15 traders. For those of you that are really interested in taking your trading to the next level. And what I mean by that is people that are looking to be held accountable to the goals that they set for themselves, people that are looking to improve upon their weaknesses, people that are looking for constant feedback. This is for you. Now, with the Black Shirt Club, we're giving you unlimited access to James and myself. Right now, if you guys wanted to have a call with James or myself, you'd have to pay us per hour. We've gotten rid of that completely. We're not going to be doing hourly calls anytime soon. We're going to be focusing in on the people that are in the Black Shirt Club. We've actually had over 45 people already apply just from last weekend. So I'm going to put here, apply here, put the link in the live chat for you guys, and I'll actually pin it to the top. So if you apply and we like your application, if we think you'd be a good fit based on your trading history, then we're going to reach out to you to hopefully set up the call and get everything going. With the Black Shirt Club, it's not just like a separate group chat. We do have that set up, and I can actually show it to you guys here. If you look in our Discord chat, the guys that join the Black Shirt Club will get access to this section of our Discord down here. It's locked, as you can see. This is only for people that pay to be in the Black Shirt Club. The rest of the VIP people don't even see this yet. You only get access to this if I tag you when you sign up. So you get access to the private Discord with me and James. But more importantly than that is you'll have our private cell phone numbers. You'll be able to set up as many calls per week or per day as you would like with us for us to review either every single trade or a group of trades, whatever you'd like. We're here to walk you through it step by step and give you that adjustment as needed. The idea behind this comes from us studying other successful coaches. In particular, Tim Grover is one of the guys that James and I both look up to a lot. Tim Grover coached Michael Jordan. He coached Tiger Woods, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. He's coached some of the most successful athletes ever, like in any sport. The best of the best are coached by people like Tim. And what these people do is they don't try to coach 100 people. They don't try to coach 1,000 people. They really lock it down on a few select group of people. So for those of you that are really taking your trading serious and you want to be a part of the select group, all you got to do is come here, click the apply now button, put in your information down here, fill out the application, and if we think you'd be a good fit, we're going to reach out to you. You can even come here and watch some of the testimonials from other people that have already been coached by James, and I think that'll even motivate you more to consider applying. So if you think it might be a good fit, you want to see what's up, just put your information in and we'll reach out to you to set up the call. I think it's going to be a huge thing for ASFX is this Black Shirt Club, because there's not anything like this in the Forex space. Everybody else is just selling you their course. They don't even give you a group chat and they let you go. Or they're charging you monthly and they say they want to help you make more money, but they're actually taking money from you every month without coaching you to help you make more and help you afford that fee. So I think this is so unique, so different. It's going to stand out. People are going to love this. And that's why I'm excited to get this going. So apply now. I'm getting back to all the applicants today, and we're going to be setting up those consultation calls. Cool. Let's minimize this Black Shirt Club stuff. Let's go into this trade on GBP USD. We're going to look at GBP CHF. We're going to look at GBP AUD, as this has been something I've been watching this morning. We're actually going to talk about US 30 today as well. We're going to see US 30 probably pick up some volatility here in about 15 minutes when the US stock market opens. So we're going to keep our eye on that together. US 30 is something that I'm becoming more and more interested in, specifically, honestly, because it's something that I know picks up volatility at 9:30. And for those of us that maybe are busy and we can't wake up at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock every day, this could offer great trading opportunities for us later in the morning. So we don't have to worry about waking up and running to the chart right away. You know what I'm saying? Shauna said it's saying enrollment is full. Enrollment should not be full. You should be able to apply. If you click the apply button, Shauna, and type your name in and your email, it should submit. Let me know if it doesn't. I'm looking at it right now and it looks like it works for me. We've already had, like I said, over 40 something people apply. So I think it's working fine. Maybe try to refresh the page. I'm not sure. I can send this to you. Try this link too. So let's work through the whole watch list and then we will go over James.